Changes in land use that are caused by humans is currently affecting the global climate. These changes in land use are contributing to radiative forcing, which alters the albedo and causes climate change. This is currently affecting the land ecosystems because it's causing growing seasons and therefore alters the agricultural and forestal systems. One of the biggest alter in land that humans are responsible for is deforestation, which takes away a percentage of our forests and wooded areas every year. One area in the US that is extremely affected by this is California. This particular state is very vulnerable and prone to forest fires that can be caused by humans, which is considered one of the biggest forms of deforestation. The extremely dry and hot temperature can make a little spark caused by humans turn into a large wildfire, which can wipe out several acres of trees and even kill many wild animals in the process. Forest fires affect climate change due to the amount of carbon dioxide and amount of greenhouse gases that get released into the air. It also gets rid of the trees that would then absorb any excess CO2 in the air. This of course warms the temperature even more, which leads to climate change that affects local communities and animals. A wildfire can be devastating to the local community, taking some homes down and forcing people to relocate. It can also affect their agriculture and around that area, which makes food and water scarce in some areas. One possible solution to this problem would be to ban any unauthorized personnel from entering the forested areas of California. Also, crack down on the redwood poachers that have constantly caused many issues in the California forest. Limiting the amount of people will limit the possibility of a wildfire breaking out.